Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Nissan LEAF to NissanConnect EV easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Nissan LEAF to NissanConnect EV, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked and turned on. Next, make sure your smartphone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Download the NissanConnect EV app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the NissanConnect EV app on your smartphone. Select Get Started to begin the setup process. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your profile information. Now, go to your vehicle's display screen. Select the menu button, then navigate to Settings. Choose Nissan Connect Services from the Settings menu. Next, select Connect and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Back on your smartphone, in the Nissan Connect app, tap Add Vehicle. Enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN, when prompted. You can find the VIN on your dashboard or in the driver's side door jamb. Once the VIN is entered, the app will search for your vehicle. Confirm the connection request that appears on your vehicle's screen. After the connection is confirmed, you will see a message indicating a successful link. Now, you can explore the app's features, such as remote. For additional settings, navigate through the app and follow the prompts to customize your experience. Your Nissan LEAF is now successfully connected to NissanConnect EV. Enjoy the convenience and control right at your fingertips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.